How do you spot a good deal? Over 100 years ago, Mark Twain said, "Cynic is the man who knows the price of everything but the value of nothing." In this day and age, with Zestimates and a million real estate websites, you can find a lot of data online. But does that translate into true insights? So, what is a good deal? Without getting too philosophical, something is not worth anything unless someone is willing to pay you for it. If I told you this coconut water was worth $3,000, but no one is willing to pay me for it, then it's not worth it. Same with real estate. If the list price of a home is $1 million, but no one is willing to pay close to it, then it's not worth it. And then we come into comparables or comps. Those are the sold and closed sales within the past 6 months in the area that you're looking or within the same building. The bank appraiser will be looking at those comps to make sure you're not overpaying for a home. But comps can only get you so far. See, a comp is just the amount of money someone was willing to pay for a home at a moment in time. So does that mean that your home is worth the same amount as someone paid for it a year ago? Maybe, maybe not. Take it with a pinch of salt. Any thoughts? You better call Sell.